Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Rizal Hassan, and I'm here to tell you about the Take Charge program. Take Charge program is my number one program. It's the first program I created. It's been with me for the past 20 years, presented to audiences in 9 countries. Take Charge program is a self-leadership program, whereby I show people how to lead themselves first. If you cannot lead yourself, how are you going to lead people? The Take Charge program is divided into 4 parts. Take charge of self first. In Take Charge of Self, I show them how to take charge of themselves, of course. And we start by eliminating excuses in their heads. Excuses whereby in my program I call it the bangau. What's the bangau? Bangau is a small white bird often found in swamps or paddy fields. English call them egrets. We Malaysians, we have this song called the bangau song. Bangau, oh bangau, why are you so thin? I am so thin because the fish will not come up. Fish, why you not come up? Because the grass around the pond too tall. You see in the song there's a lot of excuses, people finger pointing, blaming one another. So I tell people, stop bangawing, stop giving excuses. If you can bangau about one thing, you will tend to bangau about another thing, and the worst among us will use God as an excuse. For example, why were you late? Because of the rain. Who brought down the rain? God. So you bangau God. So the first part of the Take Charge program is Take Charge of Self, and the first thing that we learn is stop giving excuses, and start to be aware about what's happening around you. We tend to be so focused, we forget to be aware. And some of us stop being aware of the things which are going good for us. We're more focused on the problems instead of the things which are working. So stop bangawing, be aware, and everything that you do is based on a choice. I would tend to say every moment is a choice, and every choice is my choice. No such thing as luck. You decide what happens to you in your life. Every success, every failure is based on the choices you make today. So how to make those choices? I will show you how. Take Charge is about showing you how. So I'll show you how, step by step. In Take Charge of Self, also the first part of the Take Charge program, we talk about in life, will there be problems? Yes. No problem, no fun. Imagine playing football and the opposite team keeps quiet and you win 100-0. Fun? No fun. No fun. So when there are problems, what do? Solve it. Some problems are within yourself. Some problems are outside you, around you. Some problems are beyond you. But every problem has a solution, and every solution begins with me, with yourself. And I'll show you how. That's the best thing about the Take Charge program. I'll show you how. In the Take Charge program, in the Take Charge of Self, the first part of the Take Charge program, we say to be excellent doesn't take much effort. It's just a little bit more. It's not about going out of your comfort zone. It's about expanding your comfort zone. And a person who's Take Charge is a person who has direction, has a goal, has a objective. I'll show how to get your goals clear, crystal clear. Imagine you leading a group of people, but you yourself don't know where to go. So I'll show how to take charge of your future, your goals, yourself. Now let's Take Charge of Self segment. The second part of the Take Charge program is Take Charge of your communication. You see, whatever you want in life, you cannot get it alone. You need people's help. But if you don't know how to communicate with people, then how are people going to help you? So I'll show you how to take charge of your communication. And the first tool that we're going to learn is about body language and how to build rapport. Why body language? Because the body speaks louder than what comes out from your mouth. Sometimes the body spoils what comes out from your mouth. For example, I've met somebody who said, I have 5 brothers. 5 brothers, what show for? Because the issue was about the 5th person. So he didn't want to tell me that he had a problem, but the body was already telling me. Yeah? So how to take charge of your body language, how to be aware what happens to your body, how that body will help you communicate better. Then how to build rapport with people. Yeah, I'll show you rapport building skills, which is so powerful that people will practically fall in love with you. We will also cover the art of listening, how to give feedback, how to receive feedback. Yeah. When I say I'll show you how, I'll show you how. When I say smile, I'll show you how to smile. When I say make eye contact, I'll show you how long, how to make that eye contact. Yeah. So it's a very practical program, this Take Charge program. So we covered take charge of self, first part. Second part is take charge of communication. The third part is take charge of your team. You see, again, whatever you want in life, you cannot get it alone. So how to take charge of the people around you so that all these people can help you get to where you want to be. I'll show you how. Because working as a team is not just about the physical part of it, not physically working together. No. It's not just that. It's also about getting you in the same wavelength with the people around you. It's about having patience with the people around you. It's about how to work together in the right spirit. Yeah? And again, I'll show you how. Yeah? We'll go through at least 3-4 activities to emphasize what it means working together. Not only from the physical aspects of it, but from the mind and the spiritual aspect of it. Yeah? The last part of the Take Charge program, remember again, the first part is take charge of communication. Second part is first part is take charge of self. Second part is take charge of communication. Third part is take charge of team. The last part of the Take Charge program is take charge of world. Take charge of world meaning where do you spend most of your 24 hours in one day consciously? Now, if you really think about it, for those of you who are working, your world is your organization where you work. Yeah, what's the relationship actually? Because where you work, where you spend your time in that 24 hours most of the time is a big portion of your life on a daily basis. So if you say you and your organization is just about you're the employee and the organization is your employer and that's the relationship, then I say you're wasting your time. So the final part of the Take Charge program, Take Charge of Work, I'll show you what's the relationship actually, because it's much more intimate than just the salary at the end of the month. And I'll show you how and what that means. Because this is that organization is where you get your knowledge, your skills, your friends, your everything, which helps you build a better future. So if your relationship is not as intimate as it should be, then whatever happens to you right now will just spoil your future. So you must take charge of your world, and I'll show you how. So take charge of self, take charge of communication, take charge of team, take charge of work. That's the 4 parts of the Take Charge program. And this Take Charge program has been around for the past 20 years, presented to audiences in 9 countries. If you have a group of people, right, whether they're executives or non-executive, technical or non-technical, this is the program you want to be. Yeah, you want to send your people to. If you have a group of people who have lost interest at work, you have a group of people who constantly give you excuses, you have a group of people who are demotivated, you have a group of people who are motivated but just don't know where to go. You have a group of people who are not in the same wavelength. Yeah, squabbling or fighting with one another. You have a group of people who are there just for the salary at the end of the month. This is the program you want to send them to. The Take Charge program, presented by me, Muhammad Rizal Hassan. You can download the program outline in detail in the link below. Yeah, the Take Charge program can be conducted as a 1-day program, can be conducted as a 2-day program, can be conducted as a 3 days 2 nights program. It can be conducted with small groups. See, the largest group that have ever been in the Take Charge program is 4,000 people. So send your program, send your participants to this program. It's a mind-changing program, it's a heartful program, and it's a program for you. This is from me, Muhammad Rizal Hassan. See you. Assalamualaikum.